and cuties, welcome back to another video. If you're new, my name is Zelda Nadine. Pull up a seat, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. Stay to the end because you're going to want to be able to see all of this good face being painted to the god. Actually, this video is all about my new way of doing my foundation routine, from foundation, concealer, and even setting the face. So I don't even want to talk to you half to death. We're just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna bring you closer so you can see the eyes. I'm going to apply my base, which will be my Louise base in Rumor 2. My hands are washed, so I always put a little bit of dab on the back of my hand, and I'm going to sculpt the eye out a little bit and then blend it out. I'm using my good old faithful paint brush because it has a really flat brush here. Well, I've created a flat brush, and then I'm going to apply that on the eye really quickly. I went ahead and applied my Louise base and blended out with a dry blending brush. Okay. It's the 3502 palette. Boom, boom, boom. You see how it's loved? I love on you, Lord. I'm going to go into the orange. I'm going to use that color and I'm going to apply that upon the crease, and that will be my brighter shade. Okay, leave a comment in below and let me know what you guys are doing for that good summertime, but your plans are. Love reading stuff like that. I'm going to go into that same palette. I'm going to take my crease brush and I'm going to dip it into a chocolate color. So this chocolate color is going to be a little bit, not too dark, but it's going to have a little bit of tint to it. So in the back, see how it's falling? Little color right here. Okay, slightly under the orange. That same brush that had my Rumor 2 on it, and I'm going to try to cut a little light crease to be able to bring the pigment that I'm going to put on the lid and bring it out. Okay, so now that I've applied that base color, I'm going to go on my Madison Beer palette. This little shimmer color right here, right? But I'm going to apply a little bit of that base, and I'm just going to apply that on the lid. Okay, and then I'm going to flip the brush over because I'm not going to use a brand new brush, and I'm going to tap that shimmer shade over top. What am I doing, honey? I'm not even telling y'all colors. So the colors that I'm using is 0 and C137. That's the colors I'm using. So I put 0 at the base, and then I put C137 right over top. And I'm gonna take Life Support, which is this right here, and I'm gonna put it right on that corner. So we're pretty much done here. I'm gonna come right back, put on my mascara, pop on my lashes. Everything will be done with the eyes, and then we'll get into this foundation, okay, that you guys have been waiting for. So now that I have on my lashes, these are from INSTA, the 425 22-inch lashes, and I have on my mascara. I've already moisturized and primed my face with the Poreless Putty Primer by e.l.f. I'm gonna take my Molten Body Glow by Revolution. Okay, I'm going to apply that all over the face, put a little bit of pumps on my hand. My hands are clean. I'm going to place that, just a couple dots. Yeah, this is Rose Gold. I'm trying to be painted. I'm going to apply my concealer. I like to go with a bright under eye. My Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm going to apply my concealer. Now I'm going to go right here on the sides of the mouth. I got this from Miss Savannah Silver on YouTube. Check her out. I'm going to leave a link below. I'm putting a red undertone color corrector, and I'm using LA Girls color in orange, because what I've been noticing is that my foundation does crease, you know, after long wear right here by my mouth. Okay, just right here, boom. And I'm not going to use a whole lot, but I'm going to use that brush to blend it out. Now I'm going to take my Juvia's Place foundation stick and bend it, and I'm going to contour now. And I'm just going to contour right here, just like that. Boom. Under the chin, the nose, a couple little spots above where my baby hairs are. I'm gonna let it set before I go ahead and do this good face. Now I'm gonna take my e.l.f. blending foundation brush, and I'm going to blend the contour first, but I'm going to blend upward. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Cosmetics Flawless Satin Foundation, and this is in the color caramel, excuse me, in caramel, and I'm going to use my Juvia's Place foundation brush, and I'm going to fill in the spots that don't have the contour. It also is going to disappear, okay? Foundation on, I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to go ahead and blend in this concealer, starting from the bottom where the chin is, because we don't want waste. We don't need that, especially as much money as we use to pay for this makeup. No ma'am, we don't want to waste. Okay, so now with my nose contour, I'm going to take a dense brush, and this is the M173 brush, and I'm going to snatch this nose all the way down, and I'm just going to blend. I really like this brush because it actually does the trick, okay? So I'm just going to snatch it right quick, get as far up as I can, okay? And this is another reason why I leave this part of my eye. I don't really do much in, because I like to go in by the brow and bring it down. By the brow and bring it down, you know? So I'm gonna buff that out. So I'm gonna take my favorite setting powder in Honey, and I'm just gonna press that into the skin. On my face where my concealer is, I'm going to go ahead and take the darker shade, and I'm going to just go ahead and give it my face a little life. Okay, yes, baby, who is playing with Juvia's Place right now with the bronzer for the black women? Nobody, okay? Nobody's playing. You know, can't nobody touch Juvia's Place. Let's do my nose highlight first, then we're gonna set this face. I'm gonna use Milani's Make It Last, and I'm gonna take a wet blending sponge, which is my e.l.f. I'm just gonna saturate it. I done wetted my mirror. I'm gonna press it against the face, okay? Just like that. Honey, when I tell you, once this baby dries, your makeup ain't going nowhere. Now that my face is dry and ready to go, I'm going to apply my blush with e.l.f. blush palette, and I'm going to go with the lighter color. Okay, this color is kind of close to the NARS Orgasm blush, between this and this. Okay. On my lips with this NYX Cosmetics lip pencil in the color Nutmeg. I'm going to fill in the lip with Jaclyn Cosmetics liquid lip in the color Be Bold. In the center, I'm going to put a little bit of the Jaclyn Cosmetics the color Mama. So it's going to have a little bit of a pink hue. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like and comment below about what you think about the video. If you tried my new foundation routine, listen, you'll be sitted and painted and set, okay? Follow me on all my social medias are under Zelda Nadine. Love you guys, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye.